To order a replacement card in M&T Bank, start by opening the M&T mobile banking app and logging in with your username and password. Once logged in, you will be on the home section, where you can find the menu option located at the top left. Tap on the menu option and scroll down to find the Card Services option. Then tap on it. This will bring up 4 options: Report, Low Report, Loss or Stolen Card, and Replacement Card. Select the Order a Replacement Card option. You will then be prompted to choose a reason for replacing the card. Select Replace a Card if the card is damaged or no longer working, or Report a Stolen Card if it has been lost or stolen, in the latter case. You will also have the option to lock your card to prevent unauthorized use. Next, tap on the Replace a Card option. Then select the card you want to replace from the list by tapping on the drop-down icon. Review the details, including the card creation and milling interest, and make any necessary corrections. Check your shipping address and submit the request. A confirmation will pop up, allowing you to review the details once more before tapping to finish the process. Once you have completed these steps, your replacement card order will be placed, and you will receive your new card.